Don't do that. Don't fall when I'm doing my outro. Don't do that. It's not cute. I'm gonna... Alright, I'm about to get mad.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but I'm back, and I'm back with a Valentine's Day series, and this is day 2. I think I'm gonna call this look Sucker for Love. Yeah, I like that. Or Sweet Loving. I don't got a name for this look yet, but let's just get on with the tutorial. Starting out with this look, I'm going to prime my face with my MAC Studio Fix Mattifine Shine Prime Mattifine, and this is what I'm going to use to moisturize my face. The next thing that I'm going to be priming with is my Makeup Revolution Pore Eraser. I think that's what this product is called. And I'm just only going to apply it to my cheeks because that's where my pores are most visible. And oh, I lied. Next, I'm going into my Too Faced Primer and Poreless pressed powder, and I'm also going to put this on my cheeks. It helps with the appearance of pores as well.
I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named? You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
For my eyebrows today and every other day, I'm using my Goof Brow Pencil from Benefits Cosmetics in the shade 4. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up first, line the bottom, line the top, and gently shade in the middle. To clean up under my eyebrows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Full Coverage Concealer. And then afterwards, I'm going to go back over it with a stiff fluffy brush and blend that out. To start with the look, I'm going to first go in with my P. Louise base in shade Rude Boy Red, and this is what I'm going to use to create the heart shapes around my face. Switching colors, I'm going in with my Winter Rose base now, and I'm just going to draw some more hearts but in pink. To dry the eyeshadow, well, the eyeshadow base down, I'm going to use the red from the Crayon case, the matte book. Switching palettes, I'm going in with the Nikita Morphe palette, and I'm using that light pink shade to fill in my parts. Now I'm going to use the white Louise base in the shade Rumor Zero, and this is what I'm going to use to draw the sticks of my suckers. Okay, so using the red Louise base and the pink Louise base, I'm going to be drawing some bows. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to draw a triangle on one side, that's to the side, and I'm going to do the same to the other side. And yeah, that's how I came up with my little bow. I was looking at this look to see how I can like spice it up. Spice it up. How I can add like some more glam to it. So I went in to add some rhinestones. The glue that I'm using is Elmer's glue. I wouldn't recommend this, but I do not have like no lash glue right now, so this is all I had. So I had to use what I had, y'all. So I'm going back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Full Coverage Concealer, and this is what I'm going to use as an eyeshadow base for today. I wanted to keep the eyeshadow really simple today. I didn't want it to take from the face look. So I'm only going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Winter Rose, and I'm just going to create some pink eyeliner. The same pink that I used to go on top of my hearts, I'm using that from the Nikita palette to go on top of my eyeliner to dry it down. And with that same pink base, I'm going to add that in my waterline as well. And then go on top of that with that same pink that I went in on my eyeliner. Every single time I use something in my waterline, it makes my eyes watery. So I always keep Q-tips handy for me to just dab the corner in the corner of my eyes. Okay, so that same red that I used to fill in on top of my hearts, that's what I'm using to go up under my waterline with. I didn't really want to add lashes to this look, only because I didn't really have no lash glue. All I had was hair glue, and I didn't want that. I didn't want to risk getting the black on top of my pink eyeliner, so I felt like my lashes was, what you call it, fluffy enough for this look. Okay, now to start my foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Cinnamon. This is going to be a little hard to navigate around the hearts, but yeah, all you gotta do is slow and steady. The concealer that I'm using today is a Tarte shade concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I really like this concealer because it's like really bright. It gives me that extra for bright under eye. It does dry down really fast, so with this concealer you really have to work fast. When I'm blending my concealer out, I like to start in the areas where I want it least highlighted. So I start with my forehead. I think I go to my chin after that, up under my lip, my nose, and up under my eyes. So to contour today, I'm using the Juvia's Place Zambia shade contour stick, and I'm just going to be taking it high up to in front of my eyebrows and stopping at the butt of my nose. And then I'm going to go over it with my brush just to soften up the contour a little bit so it won't come off as too harsh. And with that same contour stick, I'm going to apply some on my forehead just to bronze it up a little bit. The setting powder that I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just going to press it in with my Beauty Blender first and then go on top of it with some more with my brush. I really am starting to like using this translucent setting powder. I usually use setting powder that's closer to my skin tone because I really be scared of the flashback, but I've been trying to get more comfortable with using white setting powder. So I'm going in with some brown lip liner to outline my lips, and I don't really know where this pencil is from. Well, I do. It's from Amazon. It's from a Nabby collection in ABI. So yeah, I don't know why I was just about to lie. Yeah, this lipstick is so old. This is like Mary Kay lipstick. I got this when my aunt was saying Mary Kay years ago. Like, this has to be one of my first lipsticks I ever owned myself, actually. Now my shoulder's all the way up there. Hold on. I'm trying to get comfortable. Stomach growling and stuff. This is a look. Sorry if I sound congested. I know I always sound congested in my videos. I like to sleep when it's cold. I like to sleep in really, really cold air. So, yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias in my description below. And I will see you guys in my next video.
If I wrote you a symphony,